I'm Philip, and in this video, I'll show you how stealth mode works in InterviewMan. In normal mode, InterviewMan is already hidden from screen sharing, but some interviews use anti-cheating software that monitors everything running on your computer. Stealth mode is built for that. The app hides completely on your desktop, and you control everything from your phone, nothing to interact with, nothing to detect. On desktop, click Start and select Stealth mode. On your phone, tap Start and connect to the session that appears. Watch how the app is now completely hidden. You can bring it back anytime with Control+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac. Your phone shows the full InterviewMan interface. It listens and generates answers just like normal mode. When you tap the screenshot button on your phone, the desktop captures the screen and sends it over. The AI analyzes it right away and generates answers directly on your phone. To end your session, just tap End Session on your phone. Stealth mode. Simple to set up, impossible to detect. I hope you found this useful. Reach out to us on Discord if you have any questions.